Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, you will learn about cover letters. What is a cover letter and what is its purpose? Simply put, a cover letter is a short write-up accompanying your resume. Cover letters are mostly written in email body. It contains first a brief introduction about who you are, that is in terms of academics, year of study or area of research or work. Second, why are you interested in the job? That is, how are you relevant candidate and how is this aligned with your career prospects? And third, why should you be hired? That is, what do you bring to the table? Now, what is the purpose of cover letter? The purpose of a cover letter is to let the employers or HR know that you are a potential candidate so that they open your resume and go through your achievements and skills in detail. Now, what gets an employer to open your resume and go through it? In this video, we will learn how to write a cover letter that makes an employer feel that you are a relevant candidate. So, as we have told you, a good cover letter should answer these three questions. First, who are you and what is the purpose of writing this cover letter? Second, why are you interested in this job? That is, how does this job align with your career prospects? And third, why should you be hired for this role? Or why should the company hire you? Once you understand these 3 points and write an answer for each one of them in your cover letter, you will be good to go. Now let's take an example and see what type of answers can be written for each of these questions. So let's say you are Aruna Negi, a computer science student at XYZ Engineering College in Bangalore, and you are applying for mobile application development jobs or internship with Internshala. Now you have to write a cover letter so that the HR sitting at the Internshala opens your resume. So what will you write in that cover letter? So let's together write this cover letter by answering all these questions one by one. Now the first question is, who are you and what is the purpose of writing this email? The answer to this one is straightforward. You can write something like this. My name is Aruna Negi. I am a third year BTech Computer Science and Engineering student at XYZ College in Bangalore. I read about an available mobile application development internship on your career pages and am writing to see if I may be considered for this course. So you see, we have clearly mentioned the name of the applicant, the year of study, and the purpose of this email. That is to find out if one can be considered for the role or not. Next question is, why are you interested in this role? Or what is your motivation behind applying for this role? Now, writing the answer to this question, you have to mention 3 things. First, your primary motivation behind an internship or job application. It can be either to learn a new skill or deepen your knowledge of an existing subject area. Second, background on how you developed an interest in this field. It could be a coursework, a seminar, spare time reading, a project or something else. And third, how this internship or job fits into what you want to do in the next 1 to 2 year or long term. If you do some research on companies' culture values and their principle, then you will be able to frame a more customized answer for this. Now, based on all these 3 points, this can be the sample answer to this question. I was first introduced to programming in the first year of my college, and when I learned to write simple programs in C language. I was fascinated by the power of computers and how they can simplify a human being life and bring change all around us. Inspired by the startup success stories, I started learning web development and designed a few websites for my college in the second year. In my third year, I learned about Android application development. Given the rising penetration of smartphones in India, I realized mobile apps can take the benefits of technology to the masses faster than the web, and hence I have decided to pursue my career in this field. As a user of Internshala, I love the idea how it has simplified internship search for millions of students. A senior of mine interned with Internshala previously and had great things to say about the work culture of Internshala. I would love nothing more than being a part of your mission to help students get internships that matter. So you see, in this section, we have built a story of what got the person interested in this particular role and technology. So it covers the point about your motivation to work in the field and also gives the HR a background of how you got interested in this field. In this paragraph, we have mentioned Internshala, and it brings out the fact that the students have done research on the mission and vision of Internshala. Here, if you see, we have mentioned a senior which will let the HR know that she can speak to this senior to get to know more about you if required. It also tells the HR that you may be aware about the company culture and have taken an informed decision in applying to the company. Now let's come to the next question, that is, why should you be hired for this role? This requires an understanding of what skills, behavior traits and subject knowledge the job or internship demands and how you fit the bill. One way to understand it to put yourself in the recruiter's shoes and ask, if you were hiring someone for this role, what would you look for in that candidate? A simple answer to this question may be like this. Other than an above average academic performance, throughout I have built a few small scale Android apps already. Links are in my resume, and I have a thorough understanding of the basics, principle and required technology framework. I noticed that Internshala has just launched its Android app and there are so many functionalities that we could add, like a chat option with recruiters, for example, will be great, that I would be happy to get a chance to work on. If nothing else, I am happy to just be around the technology team and help them with their day-to-day work and learn in the process. So you see, here we have mentioned the skills that student has, which are relevant to the profile she is applying for. Here the student has demonstrated that she knows what the company is working on and has also given an example of a new feature that can be added, thus demonstrating how she will add value to the company and showing that the student has the capacity to bring new ideas to the table. With this, we have answered all the questions. Now let's put it all together and look at the final result. So this is what an email cover letter will look like when we put answers of all these three questions together. Notice how we have addressed the HR, started with a subject line inquiring about her well-being, and then started with a cover letter. At the end here, mention your complete details, your full name, contact details, your year of study, and add the link to your GitHub or LinkedIn profile. With this, we come to the end of this video. Just always remember, the cover letter needs to be customized to the company and the role you are applying for. So please do not use the exact same cover letter everywhere. It will give a negative impression of you. I hope you will be able to follow these steps I have taught in this video and write a good cover letter when you apply for a job or an internship. In the next video, you will be learning the common mistakes that students make while writing cover letters, so that you don't make them while writing yours. So do not miss to subscribe to the channel. Till then, all the best.